Deduction. ISBN.
Hindi po. IS.
Ano ba yan? May t-shirt pa? Ulit.
ISBN. Video.
Milligram. 1/2. 1 a day.
Asan na?
Nexarum.
Asan na kaway kaway?
Nexium.
Nexium. 40 milligram. Nexium. Reset dry weight to 81.5 kilograms. Verbal order by Dr. Valdemar.
Voldemort. Voldemort. Bakit na?
HP assessment. Positive. All epigastric pain.
Hold, epigastric pain. Positive.
Abdominal.
But all
Patingin?
epigastric pain.
Asan na nagay?
Na pala epigastric pain.
I-hold mo lang yung epigastric pain.
Old.
Old.
Old. Luma. Old.
Old na.
Old. Ako, yun ang nagay dito. Nakalagay old.
Alright.
Puritana Shirley. Renal 9 collected. 130. A positive abdominal cramp. UF decreased to 4.3 from 4.5. BP 120/7. Doctor's order no funds for Inofet. UF H bonus UF H UF H.
No funds for Innohet. You. Ano yan? Di pa rin bonus.
Heparin bolus 1,000 units 5 yes. UNM Dr. Ang Villanueva Adela, Doctor's order CBC care of outside lab, urinalysis, terminal dysuria, half dose heparin, and per IV test dose today. So 6 dose of IV iron done. Cabelona Esterinal 9 collected. Doctor's order PPCC Maluat. Amoxicillin 5 mg per cup. Soon per cup 4 cups 1 hour prior to dental extraction. Endorsement done.
A.N.? Sino A.N.? Siya, dito ka na sa gitna. Siya, dito ka na sa gitna. Okay na yan. Action na. Ganun siya eh.
March 21, 2011. Patient sense.
Okay na siya din sa ron.
8. Ilaw Mia at 9:40, positive headache, BP 190/100, cutoff for 75 micrograms given sublingual patient stock. BP upon discharge 180/110. Ligodona Pavsalier at 8:05, BP check 120/80, place station in C position. At 8:15, BP check 110/80, US on-call temperature decreased to 36.5 degrees Celsius from 36.